If I told you you could save 90% on the supplements that you're taking, would you be interested? Hi, this is Dr. Christensen and welcome to my office. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the capsule machine so that you could save literally up to 90% on the cost of the supplements that you're taking. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to encapsulate some of our new formula, our Three Kings formula, which consists of gold or golden turmeric, frankincense, and myrrh. And so this is a great formula that we're really quite excited about because of the health and healing benefits. The machine that we use is called the Capsule Machine. We have a double aught or 00 size, and I'm going to just demonstrate to you how easy this is. Generally when I do this, I'm going to put some gloves on. The purpose of the gloves is to keep things clean. However, when I'm working with certain herbs, they can stain or they can burn. So if I'm using cayenne, I definitely want to have gloves on because that can get into my pores of my skin and burn for days and days. With a product like turmeric, I simply don't want to have yellow hands, and it will stain the hands yellow. And so when I open up the machine, there are several parts. There's the base, there's the lid, there's this little thing that you're going to take out and you're going to figure, what the heck is this thing for? And what it is a stand. Not necessary, but comes with a little stand there, and then finally a tamper. And so this will tamp it down. The machines come with a little plastic card. I couldn't find mine. They tend to get lost, and so just a business card works fine. The first step of this is filling your capsule machine. You've got, when you pull apart a capsule here, you've got a long part and a short part. The short part is a little bit wider than the long part, and we just start filling the holes. And so it's a matter of one by one, taking the capsule apart, putting the top in the top piece, the bottom in the bottom piece, and we fill up 24 capsules. On the box it says that you can get up to doing one of these in 2 minutes. I haven't timed myself, but I don't think I'm that fast. And so again, it's a matter of just pulling them apart and stuffing them down in the little holes. If it doesn't fit perfectly, you're either using the wrong capsule size or you've got some bad capsules. One of the things that I've discovered is gel caps work best. A lot of people, they want the veggie caps, and to be honest with you, veggie caps are more brittle. We have a lot more problems with veggie caps. The gel caps made out of gelatin, which of course are animal parts, the skin and the hoofs and all of that stuff. People don't want to use, but actually there's some nutritional value. And so when you're making your bone broth, you're benefiting from the gel. Okay, so now my things are stuffed. They're all sticking out a little bit. I simply take my thumbs and I push the caps all the way in so that they're flush, both the base as well as the top. Real simple, easy peasy. And so next, I use the card. I'm going to scoop some of the herb. I put it right on the tray, and I use the card just to spread it back and forth across. And so there you see that. I use the tamper. We gently put that in, give it a little push, and you can see I've got some holes, and then I repeat. And so I scrape the card back and forth. Again, there I'm going to tamp it down one more time. I usually tamp it down 3 times and need just a little bit more. And finally the 3rd time, press it down. It doesn't go down much further. Now, I used to try to get as much as I could in these things, and I would actually try to fill the lid. And there's too much herb in the capsules don't shut. So the base is filled, the top is empty. And next we just match them up. So we put the top on. This is the tricky part. And so what you're going to do is you're going to kind of push on the bottom, push on the top, and kind of rock it back and forth until they slide together. You push nice and firmly. You pull it apart, and there's your capsules. And so to get them out, you push down on the plastic tray, and they just fall right out. And so very simple. You can fill capsules, gosh, real quickly. You notice here a little bit of clearness at the top. Sometimes I'll push the capsules down to let them fit a little more snug. It's really not necessary. So I've got 24 capsules there. Works real simply. Again, you purchase a kit from us, or you blend your own powdered herbs together, and very simple, very easy. Always label the bag or the bottle or whatever you're putting something in, because I promise you, if you come back to it in 6 months or a year or 5 years, you're not going to know what it is, or you're not going to be sure. And so we always label, we always date. I hope this is helpful for you. Be sure and share, and let's help each other get well. Thanks.